What's up, my nail peeps, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. This is where nail things happen. So I have my Mini by Me box. This is the December box. I received it a little bit late, so sorry for the tardiness, but you know, life is what life is. So let me open it up, see what's inside. Oh, okay. Let me back this up a little bit so you guys can see what I see. So you can see what I see. So, first of all, this was on top, and then I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. This must be the extra item, and here's our gift, Here's our plates and polish. So let's have a look. I don't want to know what's inside. You guys can have a look, but I don't want to know. And then this is a manicure tutorial, fun for everyone. And, looks like maybe carnival kind of stuff. I guess I haven't seen anything about this one at all, which, you know, sometimes I say I haven't, and then I really have. I want to start with this because I'm so curious as to what it is. So let me dive in. Crackle, crackle, crackle. Is it an apron, maybe? Which I have plenty of aprons. Honestly, I don't need another apron, but it looks like it's another apron. Okay, yeah, it's an apron. Okay. So it says, it's got the Maniology logo, and it says, express yourself, and it's got some very cute, I guess this is, you know, good for holiday baking. I don't really know. I have like 4 of these aprons now. I have no idea what to do with them. I don't use aprons in my daily life for cooking and whatnot, so anyway, I'm sure I have some sisters that would make good use of them. Okay, so let's have a look at the rest of the stuff that's in our box. We're in. As you can tell, I'm fighting the cold. Oh, yay me. Let's see. We have 2 plates. It looks like they're carnival themed. This is MXM094. And what do we see? We see a Ferris wheel and some circus tents. We see, oh yeah, these are like the little carnival games that you have. Different like carnival foods, bubble gum, machine, I don't know, lion, ribbon, a teddy bear. So these are your circus kind of themed things. So it looks like it's circus themed, carnival, circus, whatever. Here we have MXM093, and we have stripes. Those right there are going to be awesome. I'm telling you right now, because stripes are something that you always need to have, and these little dots will be cool too. So we've got carousel horses, we've got clouds, stars and moons, look like maybe balloons, just random stars, which is kind of cool. Balloon animals, different images of the fair, like the Ferris wheel, or fun fair, roller coaster, circus tent. These look like those would make great fireworks. And then we've got ice creams and things like that. So that's kind of cool and interesting. Just something I wouldn't have even thought about is like a carnival theme thing. Alrighty, on to our polishes. Let's have a look. Open it up. And why do I always open these things upside down? It's so funny. I mean, it's funny, but it's not funny. Okay, and we've got carnival colors. So we've got a frosty looking sparkly red, which is called Candy Apple, and then we've got our blue ribbon. Both of them, I have something kind of similar to this, and maybe I think this is a good blue to add to my collection. So let's go ahead and swatch these guys. First things first, let's just put it on 2 of the fake nails that I have here, just 2 random fake nails. And we're gonna start with the color Candy Apple. It does look like it has a shimmer to it, but sometimes that shimmer is really difficult to see once you put it onto these other nails. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer now. Well, that's a little too close, isn't it? There we go. There we go. So let's see how this does. A little bit closer now, and hopefully you can see things better. Oh, you're definitely gonna be able to tell that it's a shimmer. So pretty. It's a really pretty red. It almost has like hints of orange, and it's not opaque. So you can see definitely that it's gonna need more than one coat. It is Really pretty. It's got some orange undertones to it though. Pretty. Okay, and the shimmer is really beautiful. Okay, so now on to our blue ribbon. I think this is definitely an appropriate name for that one. And this is just a good blue to have in your collection. Looks like this one's going to be pretty opaque. Good coverage on this one. Looks like one coat will probably do ya. And there we go. We have our two colors. And they go really well together. So, I mean, in terms of the carnival theme that they have going on, that they show here, this is really, that's very cute. What is the manicure tutorial? Oh, it's the balloon animals, and it's got different reverse stamping. Anyway, we'll be doing another video on that, so stay tuned for that. Okay, while that's drying, let's go ahead and I'm going to get my stamping stuff set up so we can do some stamping swatches. I'm going to throw this part in here because my stamper head has quite a hole in it now, and this is just because I am really rough with my stamper heads and I squish way too far down, so it's completely and totally my fault. But I purchased another stamper head, so I'm going to go ahead and switch out the stamper heads. I did do the trick with this one so that I could have that bottom layer now, and now maybe I don't squish so hard. And then I'm just going to plop that in there, and that'll be my new stamper head for my new monocle stamper. Okay, so out with the old torn one and in with the new one. Okay, now that I've got that stamper head replaced, I'm going to go ahead and put my little doodad underneath my stamper plate. I'm also going to grab my scraper card that is not clean, so I'll have to do some cleaning real quick. I already put some acetone on my cotton claw, so it's ready to go. Get that guy nice and clean, and then we'll get some swatching going on. Let's do the blue ribbon color first. Ooh, my voice is sounding rough. I can't wait to be done with this cold. It's not COVID, thankfully. I did a test. But it is time for me to be done with this cold. Okay, right on top. Bloop. There we go. Very brilliant, bright over black and white, which is really awesome. I like my stamping polishes to be like this, where it's bright over blue, it's black, it's bright over white, and it's just an all-around good stamping polish. So yay, yay, yay. That's a good one. I'm a little concerned about this one because usually if it's less opaque, then it usually doesn't make for a great stamper. So let me clear off my stamper. Okay, we are ready to go. Now we're using the color Candy Apple. By the way, you probably heard the dog whining. I'm still dog sitting, still loving it, still enjoying him, but he's a little scared tonight and skittish for some reason. Bless his cute little heart. Okay, and right on top. Hope everything is focused for you guys. Okay, yeah, just like I thought. It's going to be difficult to see this one over black, so it's really good only over lighter polishes. But as is the case with many polishes. You can see the difference here though with the blue is it just is like bright and shiny over that black. Okay, so there we have it. Just let's review everything that was in our December Mani by Me, December 2022 Mani by Me. So we did have our two colors that were the Candy Apple and the Blue Ribbon, and these were really carnival based colors, and that's kind of our theme, is that carnival theme, where we get our tutorial for how to do some of those as well. And then we did get our apron, which not super stoked about, but I'm sure many of you might need that, and I already have them and I don't need them and I don't use them. And then but Maniology, thank you for always thinking about our needs with the extra gifts. And then finally we have our two stamping plates for this carnival kind of slash circus theme. This is MXM093 and MXM094. Creative yes. Interesting, yes. Different, yes. So I'm kind of excited about just having something that's a little bit different and unexpected. So well done, Maniology. Well done again. And people, if you know me, you know I like myself some Maniology. So if you want to go and grab some stuff, put it in your cart, you can get 10% off your order with the code GrooveMama. And feel free to look me up on Instagram at GrooveMama. I'll be there. And people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!